Hi, this is Tyson from Dinosaur Dog Studio, and today I want to talk about promoting your music, the one thing you can do to make promotion for your music easier. The one thing that you can do to make every promotion of your music easier is to make better music. This may seem weird, however, there's two things that I want you to do in order to fulfill this goal of making better music to then make the promoting of that music easier. One is to write more songs than you actually produce and release to your audience. Ensure that you're writing more songs, so then you have the option to cut out the fluff and cut out the filler songs that you don't actually want your fan base to hear. And the second thing is ensure that your songs reach a level of production quality that's actually competitive within the industry. If your songs cannot be played on a playlist next to the other hit songs in your genre, then you probably need to work on your production quality, either going and learning more about music production or hiring a professional that can bring that level of professionalism to your music so that you can then be competitive within the industry.